Does anybody really like doing laundry? Couple
said
people,
yes.
I applaud you. You love it, that's great. But what if you could make your home smell fresh and save on the amount of dryer sheets you need to use when you're doing your laundry? Thanks to a recent viral cleaning hack from Instagram user Mrs. D's Cleaning Reviews, you could do this with the help of a simple sponge. All you have to do is pour some fabric softener into a container, add water, and submerge your sponge. Then remove the sponge, squeeze it without wringing it out completely, then pop it into your dryer. As the dryer heats up, it'll fill your home with a fresh, clean scent. And since you can reuse the sponge, it eliminates the need to keep buying dryer sheets.
So don't wash your clothes with it. It's in the drying phase.
So who does laundry in your household, Drew?
Neither one of us. Occasionally you do a load, and when I'm in the desert, I do my own laundry, so it's all good. I'll try this.
I want to do a little home video of you doing the laundry.
Anytime, come on down.